So about 2 years ago, I left Switzerland, and one of the biggest things I miss is well, it's not the food, that's for sure, but the sounds. I miss the sounds. You know, that echo of the cowbells. And I'll never forget. I had a couple of friends out there, thinking of Sepp and Eddie, and there was Ernst. We used to get together, and one day Ernst said to me, "Hast du ein Parkus gespielt?" And I said no, I hadn't. I didn't know what he was talking about. And then I figured it out. Then I knew what I was missing. You know, we went and we did that, and it was amazing. And I'll never forget the sounds, the way, you know, the tones just rung out. And so now, whenever I'm, you know, missing Switzerland, I like to do the same thing. And the place I find that, believe it or not, it's at work. I never thought I'd say that, you know, walking around in the forest, in the woods, in the mountains. And I come back to the US and I find that piece of Switzerland right next to my desk. Unbelievable. Or as Ernst used to say, unglaublich. Schöne Ferien? Yeah.